The sun. The sun is a star. It's also the center of our solar system. It's made of plasma. 75% of it is made of hydrogen, and 25% of it is made of helium. It is 330,000 times larger than Earth. And the sun is 4.6 billion years old, which is about halfway through its life.
The sun gets its activity and brightness through a process called nuclear fusion. During this process, hydrogen atoms are smashed at high speeds to form helium and energy.
The sun has only so much hydrogen, and it will run out of fuel in about 4.6 billion years. This is the beginning of the end of the death of the sun.
As hydrogen runs out, the core's temperature and pressure decreases, forcing the inner core to condense and heat up.
While the inner core condenses, the outer layers expand and cool, forming a red giant. These outer layers will consume the orbit of Mercury and Venus.
Due to this expansion, the Earth's oceans will boil and evaporate, and the atmosphere will disappear. The inner layers of the sun heat up, and a process called helium flash occurs.
A helium flash is when 3 helium atoms fuse to form a carbon atom. Because of this process, the inner core expands while the outer core contracts.
As carbon fills the core, it contracts and heats, forming another red giant. Energy is released along with gases that will form a planetary nebula.
The remaining sun shrinks and forms a white dwarf. Electron degeneracy prevents gravity from causing a total collapse of the white dwarf.
The white dwarf will be about the same size as Earth.
A very compacted black dwarf then forms. Our solar system has lost its main source of energy.